When it comes to cupcakes, these Maple Bacon Cupcakes are one of a kind. They are the perfect mixture of sweet and salty. So if you love bacon and baking, stick around and learn how to make them with this video. Preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by lining a muffin tin with paper liners. In a bowl, sift together the cake flour and baking powder. In a separate bowl, add the eggs and beat to a light and fluffy consistency. Gradually add in the maple syrup, then beat until well combined. Add in the vegetable oil while stirring, then mix in the dry mixture. Add in the milk and maple flavoring, then whisk to combine. Now add in the chopped bacon and stir briefly. Pour about 3/4 of the batter into the muffin tins, then bake for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, make the frosting by adding the butter and powdered sugar in a bowl. Cream until fluffy. You can use a hand mixer to cream it faster. Now add in the maple syrup and maple flavoring and continue creaming. Transfer to a piping bag and ice the cooled cupcakes. Garnish with bacon bits before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.